Wish your Ford F150 dashcam would just work? Let's walk through the most common issues, so you can get back on the road with peace of mind. First things first. Check if your dashcam is getting power. Is the display turning on when you start your truck? If not, double-check the power cable. It might be loose or unplugged. Next, inspect the fuse box. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Pop open your fuse panel, find the fuse for the dashcam, and swap it with a new one if needed. Still not working? Try a different power source, like another USB port or a 12-volt socket. If it powers up there, your original outlet could be the problem. Now check your memory card. A full or corrupted SD card can freeze the dashcam. Remove the card, reformat it on your computer, then pop it back in. Finally, reset the dashcam. Most models have a small reset button. Hold it down for a few seconds. This can fix software glitches and get things running again. If you've tried all these steps and your dashcam still won't cooperate, it might be time to contact support or visit your local Ford dealer. Don't let a malfunctioning dashcam leave you unprotected. Follow these steps and you'll be back on the road with confidence in no time.